In this video, we will show you how to assemble your 80-volt 26-inch fat tire e-bike. Your e-bike came with a toolkit that includes all the tools you'll need. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the small box, seat, front wheel, and any loose packing material. Carefully lift the bike out of the box and set it down. Keep the box and packing material until you have assembled and operated the e-bike and confirmed it works properly. Cut the ties and remove all packaging. The keys for the battery compartment are attached to the handlebars. You may remove them now. Inside the small box, you will find the 2 pedals and the toolkit. Remove any remaining packaging. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Charging the batteries. GREENWORKS batteries are not shipped fully charged, so we recommend charging them completely before use to get the maximum runtime out of your e-bike. This way, by the time you're finished assembling your e-bike, you'll have a fully charged battery ready to go. Charge the battery by aligning its grooves with the ridges in the charger and sliding it into place. The charging light and cooling fan will come on to indicate it's charging. The light on the charger will turn green when it's fully charged. GREENWORKS batteries come with capacity indicator lights. Installing the handlebar. With the bike positioned upright and resting on the forks, loosen the 3 screws on the handlebar stem using a 5mm Allen wrench on the top screw and a 4mm Allen wrench for the 2 on the side. Rotate the handlebar stem 180 degrees until it points forward. Make sure it lines up with the frame. Retighten the 3 screws. Remove the 4 screws holding the stem cover in place using a 4mm Allen wrench. Remove the stem cover. Position the handlebar onto the stem, making sure it is centered and perpendicular to the bike frame. Be careful not to twist or damage the cables between the handlebars and the frame. Hold the stem cover tightly against the handlebar and reinstall the 4 screws to tighten it securely. Tighten the screws in a crisscross pattern, rather than sequentially, to ensure the handlebar is secure and well balanced on the stem. The LCD screen mount can remain loose. Installing the headlight. Remove the pre-installed bolt, washers, and nut from the frame. Position the headlight mount over the hole and reinstall the bolt. Secure the headlight to the front of the frame using a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Installing the front wheel. Flip the bike upside down so it's resting on the seat and handlebars. Be careful not to damage the LCD screen. Remove the factory-supplied bolt bracing the fork using a 13mm wrench. Remove the plastic spacer from the brake assembly. Remove the pre-installed washers and nuts from the wheel hub axle and set them aside. Position the front wheel between the front forks. Ensure that the disc brake is on the left side of the bike and the axle is fully inserted into the slot. Check that the disc brake fits properly into the brake caliper. Reinstall the washer and nut onto the axle. Tighten securely using a 15mm wrench. Repeat on the other side. Installing the pedals. The pedals are labeled R and L. Screw the pedals onto the crank arms and tighten using a 15mm wrench. The left pedal is reverse threaded and must be tightened counterclockwise. Flip the bike over and install the seat. Secure it in place with the quick release clamp. Next, adjust the LCD screen to a comfortable position and tighten the 2 screws on the mount using a 2.5mm Allen key. Finally, connect the display screen power cable. And that's it. To learn more about this product, including operation instructions and maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS e-bike will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.